See, if I say, okay, I'll write here. If I say, I play cricket. I play cricket. Don't write, please. Don't write. Just first try to understand. Once you understand, then there is no need to write even. But just try to focus on it and try to understand. So when I say I play cricket, can you please tell me what is the verb in the sentence? Play. So this word is a verb. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why do you call it as a verb? Because it indicates action. So this word indicates an action. Yes or no?
Yes.
And therefore this is the verb. Got it? Now please tell me what is your perception, your understanding, what is the time of the sentence? What is the tense of the sentence? Present. We know very well that. I play cricket, it indicates the present tense. Why? And how do you understand that this is the present? Why do you say this is a present? Language teachers, please. I expect from the language teachers, particularly English language teachers. Yes. Play is a main verb. Okay.
It's a present.
It shows present tense.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the verb play, of course, it is an action word because we understand the action of playing. At the same time, it also shows you the time, the present. Therefore, in such a sentences, while speaking such examples and sentences, we do not use any other helping verb like am, is, are, was, like this. Because the same verb indicates you the time. Yes or no? It indicates you the tense, the time.
We are also called this definite word.
Sorry?
Definite word.
Whatever we can see even.
Yes.
Okay,
Definite
even there are.
indefinite.
Yes, actually it is not definite and indefinite, it is transitive and intransitive in grammatical terms. Transitive and intransitive. But don't go behind that one. Otherwise you will get, right now you will get a little bit confusion about that. If you go in that terms, if I go to explain those grammatical terms, I think that you may face some difficulties to understand.
But in grammar,
Yes,
definite
of course.
words and
Of course, we can say transitive, intransitive.
Yes.
Okay. There are certain reasons why do we call it transitive and intransitive like that. Okay. First, just focus on this one. Once you understand this, you can connect that very easily. Okay. So, play. This indicates the tense as well as it is an action word. In which tense do you understand here? And therefore, this indicates you present tense. Yes? And therefore you can call it as a helping verb also, as you have that concept. Why do we call a helping verb? Because we understand the time, therefore we call it as a helping verb. So you just like that, you can call it as a helping verb, and this is also the verb. It's a main verb. Yes. So any verb that indicates the present tense as well as the action, I repeat, any verb that indicates the present tense and the action is called as a V1. Very simple. Why do we call it a V1? Because that verb indicates you the present tense, at the same time it indicates the action. Therefore, we call it as a present tense or the first form of the verb. Did you get this point? Now, please, I want to know what are the different verbs that you can use like this sentence. Just like I play cricket. So, what are the other examples that you can give?
we catch football.
We catch a football. Very good.
I write essays.
I write an essay. Very good.
I listen music.
I listen music every day indicates the present tense as well as action. Therefore, we call it the present tense. Now, my question is that which present tense does it indicate? I don't want the name of the tense. I don't want the name of the tense. but I want to know which present it indicates. मला टेन्सचं नाव नको आहे. टेन्सचं नाव तुम्ही काय सांगाल, सर हा तर सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स आहे. नो, सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स हे नाव नको आहे मला. कोणता प्रेझेंट आहे ते मला सांगा. बिकॉज हा येस हा हा मला प्रश्न कळला का? कळणारच नाही. कारण का आपण कधी तसा विचारच केलेला नाही. We haven't thought like that. Therefore, we will not understand that. कारण प्रेझेंट म्हटलं की मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल से आय एम गोइंग, आय एम सिटिंग, आय एम कमिंग. दॅट इज द प्रेझेंट. जसं नो प्रेझेंट म्हणजे काय, म्हणजे आता सुरू आहे. बट दॅट इज नॉट द ओनली प्रेझेंट. तसं जर असतं, हा येस
डेली रुटीन.
डेली रुटीन, व्हेरी गुड. डेली रुटीन मीन्स एक्झॅक्टली व्हॉट?
Always I played.
Always means when? Means is it every day, Saturday, Monday, on the Sunday, once in a month, every year? What exactly?
Habitual actions.
Habitual actions. So we can say regular activities, daily routine, as you said that any action that you do repeatedly. Now repeatedly means what? It may be every day, it may be alternate day, it may be weekly, maybe fortnightly, maybe monthly, maybe quarterly, maybe half yearly, maybe yearly also, maybe decade to decade. For example, I wake up at 5 every day. That's regular activity. I watch movie sometimes in a week. That is not regular, not every day, but sometimes in a week. I go to Kolhapur once in a fortnight. आठवड 15 दिवसातून एकदा जातो. That is also regular activity. I watch Hollywood movies once in a month. Not regularly, not every day, not weekly, but once in a month. I go to Mumbai 2 times in a trimester. In 3 months, 2 times I go to Mumbai. Not every day, not daily, not weekly, not fortnightly, not monthly, but 2 times in 3 months. I upgrade myself with any certification after every 6 months. Not every day, not weekly, not fortnightly, not monthly, not 3 months, but every 6 months. I celebrate my birthday. Is it every day?
Every year.
Weekly? Monthly?
Year.
3 months? 6 months? Every year. Year to year. Yes or no? And there are some activities that we do more than 2 years, 3 years later. Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, students get their degrees after 3 to 4 years. Not every year, but after 3 to 4 years. So any activity that is repeated, that activity is called as a regular, always, repeated, and therefore that is called the present tense. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
That is the present tense. Present tense, it means not right now. Present tense, it means repeated, always, regular, and therefore this action is called as a regular activity. It is a regular activity. Regular activity means what? You do again and again. You start from here and again you repeat that. So there are so many activities that we do every day, again and again, regularly. Got it? Did you get this point? Now please tell me, what are the activities that you do regularly? What are the activities that you do regularly? Not every day, but weekly, suppose, monthly, suppose, half yearly, yearly. Yes.
I'm teaching.
Sorry?
Teaching.
I
Teach.
I teach, not I am teaching. Yes, I teach. Then I cook. Yes.
I wake up 5 o'clock.
I wake up at 5 o'clock. Huh? Come on.
Watching a movie monthly.
No. No.
Watching not.
You are saying what?
I watch.
I watch movies. Like this. It is not like that daily and weekly. Maybe monthly, maybe once in a 6 month. Like this. Once in a year, suppose. But not every day. Still it is regular activity. Yes. Then
I read every day.
I
walk every day.
I walk.
I go shopping.
I go for shopping. Yes.
I read a book twice in a week.
Yes, I read a book twice in a week. I read two books in a week. I read 3 books in a week, like this. Then,
write the notes in every day.
pardon, please.
I write the notes
Yes, I write notes every day.
every day.
Yes. Then I prepare my sessions always, every day.
I go parlor monthly.
Yes, I go to parlor monthly. Very nice, so nice. Then, yes, ma'am. Are you on fast today? Huh? What's the day today? Is Wednesday. Yes. There's no any fast.
Fast
So, oh, Sankasti. Are you married or unmarried? Okay. Then still you are having that fast because mostly girls do that fast on Sankasti before marriage. It's my personal belief. I think so. Am I right?
So,
No, it's wrong.
men's habit is going on.
It's a habitual.
Habit.
Okay, even having fast is very good even for the health. Okay then. So when do you have fast? Every day, weekly, monthly. We can say. So I have fast monthly. I have fast fortnightly, like this. Then, come on, come on. I work daily. Could you please tell me any activity that you do not do every day, but you do once in a week, suppose, or once in a month, suppose? Any activity?
I clean my house.
Yes, once in a month. I'm just kidding. Yes, total house, whole house. Yes, yes, that's good idea then. Good. Then,
I pay light bill once in a month.
yes, I pay the bills monthly. We can say yes. Then, yes, come on. Anything. Any activity that you do more than 1 month, after more than 1 month, 2 months, any repeated actions.
I meet my friend after the month.
Yes, I meet my friends. We celebrate with the party. Then, are you getting the points? What I'm
Yes.
trying to say? So, present tense means not only the current. Present means repeated regular action. That is also the present. Therefore, that is called the simple present tense. Got it? That's what we call it a simple present tense because we understand the repeated action, regular action, the action that repeats. Okay? Got it? So, shall we go ahead? So, here we can say, for example, I play, I go, I work. Now, go on, please. I cook, I watch, I read, yes, I write. No, you can say I write. Yes, come on.
Meet.
I
Meet.
I meet. I teach. Yes, come on. Sorry. I listen. Yes.
Speak.
I speak. Which languages do you speak?
English.
Which languages do you speak? Which languages do you speak? I speak Hindi, Marathi. I repeated the same question 3 times. Why? Because we were just giving the words English, Hindi, Marathi,
I speak
and Kannada even. Yes. So I speak English, Hindi, Marathi, Kannada, like this languages we can say. So what are they? These are the verbs, and these verbs are what? V1. Yes or no?
Yes.
And we call them as a present. Yes or no?
Yes.
And as it is a present tense, which indicates present tense along with V1, therefore we call it as a, yes, simple present tense. Got it? So this is the simple present tense which indicates the regular action. And for that, simply we need to use a subject and then V1. So therefore, as you know that subject plus V1 is called as a simple present tense. Any doubt about this one? Any questions for this?